How to enable or disable screen time share across devices on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down, and from here tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Share Across Devices. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Now when asked to enter a screen time passcode, do so. Put in your screen time passcode. Make sure you put in the correct passcode. And that will allow you to turn it off. Here we can also switch it back on. And when asked to enter a screen time passcode, do so. Okay, so try again. So it says wrong. So I try another screen time passcode. So that should be the correct screen time passcode. I think something is wrong. So maybe I just close settings and then try again. So go on settings and then we go down and tap on screen time and then tap on share across devices to turn it back on. And that's it. Now I can switch back on. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.